G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School and best-selling author. I bet you didn't know that. I wrote a couple of years ago a book called From Hopeless to Hero, how to hire, train and motivate super employees. It was a #1 new release on Amazon. Look, why don't I just throw the link down here. If you want to buy it, I think you should. This is going to be a little bit of a strange video because we're not actually talking about ice cream. We're not talking about business. We're not talking about marketing. We're just talking about you and me being a consumer and walking into a Walmart or a grocery type store and selecting products that are good. Now, about 3 weeks ago, I walked into a Walmart here in St. Louis and I purchased a product that has changed my life forever. This is not a sponsorship. This is not a review video per se. This is just me sharing information with you as a human being. Ritz Crisp and Thins. If you have not tasted Ritz Crisp and Thins, then you're missing out. And I know what you're saying. Well, Ritz is kind of just like a cracker and it's pretty boring. No. Just wipe that from your mind because this has revolutionized the cracker / chip industry. They make 4 or 5 different flavors. The original is like an onion and salt. There is a cream cheese and onion. There's a very good salt and vinegar. This is sea salt. They do a barbecue and I think they do a cheddar as well. Now, you're probably there sitting there thinking, well, why are we even talking about this? Just because they're awesome. What they do is, and I don't know how they do it, and look, Ritz Company, who is here? You and Nabisco? Mondelez. If you're come across this video, I would love to be able to come and see how these are made. But what they are is, they are a cracker. I'm trying to get good focus here. It's a cracker, but it's kind of fluffy on the inside. It's like 2 Lay's chips that had been kind of stuck together and baked. You know when you're eating Lay's chips and you get that bonus chip, which is the folded over chip? My wife loves them. This is like a whole bag of folded over Lay's chips. I'm telling you, they are the most delicious snack crackers you will ever eat because they're crunchy, but they're not but they're not hard. So if you've got delicate teeth, you will enjoy them. And yet, they're firm enough to put salami or pepperoni or cheese on them. Anyway, this is more a public service announcement than anything else. Ritz Crisp and Thins. I'm telling you what, if you go to I was just about to say an ice cream shop. If you go to a grocery store, buy a packet of Ritz Crisp and Thins, and you don't like them, if you don't think that they are at best close to one of the best crackers you've ever eaten, I'll refund your money. Conditions apply. Anyway, we're going to put a link to them down here. Look, for no other reason that I just found something that I love food-wise. I'm sharing it with you. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next video.